What are you flying, Riley, at Weston Park International Model Show?
So I've got the Elite Aerosports Havoc GTS. It's got King Tech 85, a mix of MKS servos.
Show warm-up that starts around about 7:15. We've got Azure and Sonny with the series quick cut, and we've got the jet glider, and the other one's going to be up after that, and then we've got the show from the HSD jets, and then we've got the RV4s coming out. So that takes us up to around about 22:08, something like that. And then we're going to start the night show at 10 to 8, so straight after. We're going to run it through. So we've got the glider takeoff, we've got the global stars, they're going to be doing their display, and then they're going to land and clear the runway, then we're going to get the glider display up, which takes us into dusk, obviously. And that's going to be the start of the big pyrotechnics night show. We've got fire eaters as well here. And we've got helicopter display from Hamish Morley coming up. We've got Andy Rigby, again, Team Renegade with the night fireworks are going to be just combined with flying at the same time. So the big fireworks spectacular will be here a little bit later on, as soon as we start to get dark, and then the show finishes around about 9:30. Okay, so that's what we've got coming up. And then we're all heading off into the bar to watch the Jays a little bit later on. So a really good lineup of things coming between now and a really good start. You can just see how we've hardly got any wind. Look how that smoke just hangs. That's a clear indication we have perfect flying conditions. How cool's that? Look at that. And flying at the moment from Essex, we have James Lancaster. And he's flying this one. This is the Pilot RC Predator. Running a very powerful 160 size jet for turbine. He's running for other radio. This one up to 2.2 meter wingspan, using the new CLI servos, which are available from Elite Aerosports. A very popular choice for the competition pilots, the show pilots. Good servos, really good servos. Quite new to the market, but if they're good enough for the AZ Aerosports team, well, they're good enough for anybody, really. And then Riley on the left-hand side, flying the Havoc GTS. Oh, that was quite low, quite low. Lovely stuff, ladies and gentlemen. Good stuff. Well done, ladies and gentlemen. Let's have a big round of applause to James and Riley. Thank you very much. Find the Predator and the Havoc GTS. The Havoc GTS is the green one. Well done, Riley. James. Potential RC. Sucking at the footage here at Weston Park with an ultra HD camera. We've got Azure and Sonny with the series quick cut, and we've got the jet glider, and the other one's going to be up after that, and then we've got the then we're going to get the glider display up, which takes us into dusk, obviously. And that's going to be the start of the big. And then Riley on the left-hand side, flying the Havoc GTS. Oh, that was quite low, quite low. Lovely stuff, ladies and gentlemen.